Alright, here is the custom parking brake for the AE86. As you can see, that black bellow right there, it's a little bit ripped. But that's where the original e-brake cable is, and it's attached to that square block with the 4 Allen key bolts. And that's the rest of this here is the custom universal e-brake or parking brake kit that you can find on Amazon for like 35-40 bucks. And then I cut the ends once when I put it in, and I tightened it using like I pulled this with like a hammer to the transmission mount, and I pulled it as tight as I could, and then I tightened it with my other hand. It's easier if you have 2 people. But then I tightened it. So you slip that through like this. We drilled in 2 holes for those bolts from the inside of the car, which you can see here is the inside of the car. Probably gonna add some washers to that so it doesn't move as much. Okay, so back to under the car. You're gonna basically mount up wherever you can the mounting brackets that they have to whatever OEM holes that you have, or drill in new holes. I did this way for the AE86. There was 1 bolt here and 1 bolt here, and then I just put it above this I forgot what they call this, so that it wouldn't be running under here in case if something got caught and it would pull the e-brake. Thanks to my friend Scott, he thought about that. And the nut that comes along with the kit is wrong. This is a M10 1.25 fine coarse thread, I think that's what they call it. Go to your local hardware store and bring this along if you're not sure, and they'll try to find you the right size. Make sure you get a grade 8 or higher so it doesn't rust. And then you're gonna put the bullet side of the kit through this and into here. So basically, when you first get the kit, you're gonna have this with the wire inside. You're gonna pull it out, take it all out, right? And then you're gonna put everything up onto your AE86. Basically get the right length, mount it, and then mount it there, and then you'll put this piece to slide into that. And yeah, then you would do your cuts. So it's like that for that side. That's the right side. And then for the left side, you can see I did the same thing over here. And then I just routed it right here. I should have put it above here, but I made a cut a little bit too early and there's no more room. So I just left it as is. It's above the exhaust anyway, so nothing can really get caught under it. And then I'm mounted, there was a hole right above the differential right there. And yeah, and then I used some heat shrink at the end of those e-brake cables so that it wouldn't fray, and use the torch to just heat it up. That most likely won't happen anyway, so. And then you can see the e-brake works